Now, the monkey will have an upgrade, no? Ibig sabihin, mas maganda ang ranking mo this year, no? You have a better luck than last year. For the monkey, you have the 3 stages. Ito lang ang good side ng monkey. Other signs actually are not so good. The 3 stages, ibig sabihin, do not be too impatient. Do not do things in a rush kasi kaya po siya 3 stages ang tawag po dyan. Dapat parang puno yung mula muna sa root, tapos magkakaroon ng trunk, bago yan mamumunga. So, ganun po dapat yung success ninyo. Success is there. But success, for it to be actually very strong, kailangan ang foundation nyo medyo matibay. So, do not go for windfall luck. Kung ikaw ay may monkey, huwag ka medyo aasa ng mga paloto-loto. So, dapat talaga to yung pinag-iisipan, nurture ninyo yung wealth ninyo para mapalago ninyo. No? Just do not be impatient, but it will actually happen.